The Turtle Beach Recon 70 is a popular budget gaming headset, but microphone problems are frequently reported by users. This systematic approach will help you diagnose and resolve these common issues effectively. First, verify the physical connection by ensuring the 3.5mm jack is fully inserted into the device port. The TRRS connector has 4 distinct sections that must make proper contact. If physical connections are secure, troubleshoot the software configuration. For Windows PC users, navigate to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Microphone to ensure microphone access is enabled. For Xbox Series XS and Xbox One, navigate to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output, then Party Chat Output and select Headset. Test the microphone in the Xbox Accessories app and adjust the headset chat mixer balance. On PlayStation 5 and 4, navigate to Settings, Sound, then Microphone and adjust the microphone level. Ensure that Mute All Microphones is disabled and test the microphone in the PlayStation 5 microphone setup utility. Following this systematic approach from physical verification to platform-specific software configuration resolves the majority of Turtle Beach Recon 70 microphone issues effectively. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve microphone issues, advanced software solutions become necessary. These methods target deeper system configurations and potential software conflicts. The Realtek Audio Console provides comprehensive control over microphone settings. This software allows precise adjustment of microphone sensitivity, noise suppression, and audio enhancement features that are not available through standard Windows settings. Third-party audio software can create conflicts that interfere with microphone functionality. Applications like Discord and OBS Studio often override system audio settings, causing microphone detection issues or audio routing problems. Windows includes a built-in audio troubleshooter that can automatically diagnose and resolve common audio problems. This tool examines system configurations, driver status, and hardware connections to identify potential issues. Preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring long-term reliability of your Turtle Beach Recon 70 headset. Following established best practices can significantly extend the device's operational lifespan and prevent common issues. Regular driver updates are crucial for maintaining compatibility and optimal performance. Audio drivers should be checked monthly for updates, as manufacturers frequently release improvements for stability and feature enhancements. Proper storage techniques are vital for preventing physical damage to the headset. Avoid tightly coiling cables, which can cause internal wire breakage, and never place excessive pressure on the microphone boom, as this is a common failure point. Documentation of working configurations enables quick restoration when problems occur. Record successful settings for different platforms and applications, including specific driver versions and audio configurations that function properly. Understanding the expected lifespan and common failure patterns of the Turtle Beach Recon 70 helps users plan for maintenance and replacement. With proper care, these headsets typically provide reliable service for 2 to 3 years. The most common failure point occurs at the 3.5mm connector after 18 to 24 months of regular use. This connector experiences the most mechanical stress from repeated insertion and removal, leading to connection issues and audio dropouts. Preventive cable replacement can significantly extend headset lifespan. When the original cable shows signs of wear or intermittent connection issues, replacing it before complete failure prevents damage to the headset's internal components and maintains audio quality. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and maintenance practices, users can achieve optimal performance and maximum lifespan from their Turtle Beach Recon 70 headsets. Regular attention to software configuration and physical care ensures reliable microphone functionality throughout the device's operational life.